Hello everyone, welcome to the part 13 of your solid state chapter. We were discussing about the types of three-dimensional closed packing from two-dimensional hexagonally packed layers, okay? And here we were discussing about the type B, that is when you talk about three layers placed one over the other, or three or more layers. Okay, so here you have two types of packing, that is AB type of packing and ABC type of packing. So now we will see what exactly does this mean. Now the first type, that is the AB type of packing. Now here when you have these just plain blue colored circles, these blue circles, not colored ones, these blue circles which I have drawn, it is the first layer, okay, the layer on the ground. The second layer, that is these printed in block blue color, dark blue colored ones, they are placed over the second layer, okay. And when I say third layer, I have not purposely shown this third layer because you might get confused. The third layer is placed above the first layer, so the third layer is going to come exactly above the first layer, okay. So you can imagine this 1, 2 and 3 will be exactly on the top of this. Got it? Yes, so this is the AB type. That is why it is called AB. Why? Because this is A type, this is B type. Again, the one which comes on top will be of the A type only, hence A. Then again B, again A, again B. That is why AB type. Okay, and second type is ABC type. So what happens here is you have this is the first layer, that is these are the spheres in the bottom layer. The second layer is placed above on the tetrahedral voids formed on the first layer, and the third layer is placed over the second layer. So it is not placed on the on top of the first layer, it is placed on the second layer such that the octahedral voids are covered. Okay, now you know what are octahedral voids. Now these two things are actually the same things which are drawn in the two types, only here you have to imagine what is the difference between the two. Okay, so here can you see this space here? Yeah, that is the octahedral voids. There are octahedral voids here also, here also, here also. Okay, but this is a little bit more visible, hence I am showing you. This is the octahedral void. Now in this type of ABC type of packing, the third layer will be placed over these octahedral voids. Okay, this one, this here. Okay, so the third layer is placed over the second layer such that the octahedral voids are covered. Okay, got it? You got the difference between the third layer placed over the second layer, the two types? Yes? Okay. So this AB type of packing forms hexagonally closed pack structures. You know what is HCP packing, right? And ABC type will form the face-centered cubic cell structures. Okay, examples are zinc and magnesium. They form HCP structures. They form AB type, and copper and silver they form ABC type of packing. Okay. Now here I have drawn the diagrams for you to understand. Okay. So when I say HCP structures are formed by AB type, so I mean these types. Okay, hexagonal closed packing. And second is face-centered cubic structures, which means in the simple primitive cubic cell, each face, at the center of each face there is a lattice point or an atom. Okay, these type of structures are formed from ABC type of structures. So before you move any ahead with the syllabus or anything, I want you to be very perfect with the classifications of closed packing. Okay, so 1 dimension, 2 dimensions, 3 dimensions. Under 2 dimensions, we have square close packing, hexagonal close packing. Under 3 dimensions, we have close packing from square close pack, 3D close packing from hexagonal close pack. Under square close pack, you have the AAA type and ABAB type, and from hexagonal you have 2 types. Okay, under those 2 types you have the ABC types and your ABAB types. Okay, so be very clear on that, very clear on the coordination number of each and the type of arrangement and the definition of voids. What is tetrahedral, what is octahedral void. Okay, now I will just take one question here which is asked many times. Okay, that is, in the face centered cubic cell, where does the tetrahedral void lie? Now, in our earlier concept, we just saw that the face centered cubic cell is formed from the ABC type of arrangement, correct? If you go to recollect the last classification which we saw, right? So here what is the question? The question is, where exactly is the octahedral void lying? Okay, so for your understanding, I have drawn this diagram. So here you can see a simple cubic unit cell. Now these blue dots are at the corners, the lattice points at the corners. Okay, the red dots are the lattice points at the center of each face, and the dotted circle and the dotted line is the body diagonal. Now what is the body diagonal? Now this circle at this corner is facing us, this face is facing us, right? From here it will go through the cube to the face which is behind, this face which is behind, correct? And this corner, you can imagine 2 opposite corners in a room, one below and one above at the opposite corner. Can you understand? Can you imagine that? Yes, those 2 points are joined via this dotted line, and this is called as the body diagonal. You know the meaning of diagonal by now, right? Here we are talking just in terms of a cube, hence the term body diagonal. Okay, so it's pretty obvious that the tetrahedral void lies on the body diagonal. It will lie somewhere on this one. Okay, now how many body diagonals are there in a cubic unit cell? There are total 4. 1, okay, 2, 3 and which? 4. Okay, this one. So there are total of 4 body diagonals. Okay, one body diagonal has 2 tetrahedral voids. Okay, so one